Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Vivian. I do all kinds of videos on lifestyle, beauty, fashion, hauls, tutorials, all kinds of fun things. So if you're interested in that, definitely don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on my future videos. So today, of course, is one of my favorites. This is my Stitch Fix try on and review. I have already unboxed everything. I've tried everything on. I'll be trying it on right here next to me. And as always, leave me a message down below and a comment. Let me know what you thought of each item and if you think I should have kept it or should not have kept it. I will leave at the end of the video always what I decided to keep and what I paid for each item. So stay tuned. Okay, for those of you that are not familiar with Stitch Fix, I will leave my referral link down below, which will give you all the information on Stitch Fix, what it is, what it costs, what you can get, how often you can get it. And so if you're interested in learning more about Stitch Fix, besides what I mentioned here in this video, then definitely click the link below to find out a lot more. Also, I would recommend highly that you ask for my stylist, Michelle. She does an awesome job. She listens to my requests, she looks at my Pinterest page, and usually can try and fulfill any request that I do have. So thumbs up for Michelle for sure. Also, I just learned that Stitch Fix is now doing Stitch Fix Kids, which we don't have any kids, but I think this is so cute. So I just got this card. So for those of you that have kids, I would definitely give it a shot. I know it's probably pretty difficult to take kids shopping, so I think this would be awesome. Okay, so let's just get started. I want to start with this dress. I love it. It's a navy blue dress. It's got some grommets right here. You'll see me trying it on next to me. It's like a shirt dress. You'd think it kind of make you look like a big tent, but it actually is not. I would say it's not unflattering, you know, which is kind of what I expected. I'll tell you right now, I'm not keeping it. And the reason why is because I have a navy blue Tommy Bahama shirt dress that looks so similar. This is definitely nicer. And if I didn't have that, this would be being kept. No questions asked. But this is really nice. So this is called by 41 Hawthorn. It's the Nahara shirt dress in navy, size small, and the price is $74. So again, I don't think the price is off. It's a nice quality dress. This feels kind of like polyester-ish material for under $100, and I think you can get a lot of use out of this. I think you could definitely wear this to the office. You could belt it. I think it'd be really cute. So lots of different options, and I really do like it, and I think the fit is really good on this one. So let me know what you think. Okay, the second thing is these shorts. They've got some pockets in the back. These are ultra comfy. To be honest, I kind of think of these more as pajama pants, pajama shorts, than I would like shorts for going out. But I think they are super cute. Not really my style, but I'm so glad Michelle sent these because I just think they're so cute and so comfortable. I just think they're a little pricey for what you get. They're kind of like a linen, so you definitely have to wash and iron these, I would think. They do have a little pocket here in the front. Just really, really comfy. These S&D Fletcher Drawstring printed short and off-white size medium for $58. So almost 60 bucks for just a very lightweight, unlined, by the way, pair of shorts. But the colors are so cute. They've got some aqua, some black, some pink in there. So just a really, really cute pair of shorts. Just for the price, don't need these. But if they were a little cheaper, I'd probably keep them because they're just super cute and super comfy. But let me know what you guys think about this and the price. Also, I will be linking all the items down below so that you can ask your stylist for them. Or if you are not in Stitch Fix but you want the item, if I can find it, I can link it so you can shop there. Or I will always try and link something similar, and sometimes I can find it cheaper. So make sure to check the description box for more info. These next pair of shorts, winner, winner, chicken dinner. I have been looking for some black cutoff kind of like frayed denim shorts for probably about a year. And I think these are definitely it. I'll let you know by the end of the video if I do decide to keep them, but I am definitely leaning towards keeping these. They're super simple, nothing to them, but stretchy and a little bit high-waisted. Not really high-waisted, which is okay. I am leaning more towards some high-waisted stuff, but these are semi-high-waisted, super comfy, stretchy, not cheeky. I mean, they're not long, they're not Bermudas by any means, but they're not cheeky. I will not wear, you know, I'm in my mid-40s. I don't need to be wearing some really, really short shorts. But these are just cute. They kind of take me back to my college days. I really like them. Like I said, super simple, not heavy distressing, just the frayed at the bottom is all you need. Just a really good versatile pair of shorts. I think I'll get a lot of use out of these. Black. I think just this Just Black brand, that's hard to say. I think this Just Black brand is really, really good. So this is Just Black Ancil frayed hem short in black, size 4 for $58. So I think these are just a little more valuable to me at almost 60 bucks than the other pair of shorts. So like I said, I'm leaning towards keeping these. I think I'm gonna get a ton of use out of these. I could wear them on the weekends. I can wear them just, you know, to go out for dinner with a cute pair of sandals. I just think they'd be super versatile and super cute. So let me know what you guys think for these shorts for my age. Okay, so this next item is a cute little, like, I would say kind of a mint green, aqua-ish kind of blue colored green top. The material is just a super soft, suede silk kind of material. The kind of material you just don't want to get a spot on because I think it'd be pretty hard to get out. But it's buttoned all the way down, and then it's got a cute little like drawstring waistline right there. I think this fits really, really well. I don't wear this color too often. I was glad I was able to try it on. But this is the Cloth and Stone Lendra drawstring top in light blue, size medium, for $78. I think the price is just a wee bit high for me. I would think maybe 40 or 50, probably at the most, for this type of a blouse, although it is very good quality. But I just don't really see me wearing this a ton. I probably would wear this to the office though with like a pair of black pants. I think it would look sharp. I think it is a nice top. I just myself, I don't see myself wearing it, and for almost $80 it is a little pricey. So let me know what you guys think of this, and let me know if you think I should have kept it. Okay, and the last item is this black top. It's got a lot of like open detailing up here. I am trying it on right here next to me with a black bralette, so don't let that kind of deceive you, because it does have a lot more, you know, openings here that you can see. But I think the black bralette kind of covers up some of those openings there. It's got really cool opening in the back here. Super versatile, super comfortable, super soft. Market in Spruce Wesley Lattice back knit top in black, size medium, for $54. I am really leaning towards keeping this one. I absolutely love it. I know I say I have a lot of black tops, but I really don't have any that look like this, that are so comfortable and versatile, and I can just throw on a bralette and not worry about bras showing, because it's supposed to show. So I'm really, really liking this top. Let me know what you guys think. It's probably a little pricier than I want for just like a cami type top, but I think it'll be worth it, and I think I'll get a lot of use out of it. As you guys know from watching my past few videos, I am trying to be a little pickier as to what I keep, but I really think this is going to get a ton of use. All the items in my fix this month. The subtotal is $322. If I buy all, I get an $80.50 discount. I know right now I won't be buying all the pieces, so my subtotal would be $241.50. So I think overall, for 5 items for $241.50 isn't bad, but it's just more than I want to pay at this time. So I'm leaning towards a couple things, and again, at the end of the video, you will see what I decided to keep. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you have any questions about Stitch Fix, or any questions about my stylist, or any questions about this fix, or what I did end up keeping. I will always read your comments down below, and I will try to respond to everyone. But anyway, let me know if you guys like these kind of videos by giving me a thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on my future videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.